Hey, wait, don't try to trim that big fungal toenail with fingernail clippers. Stick around, I'm going to show you how to do it. Hey, I'm Dr. Gaffney from Dr. Gaffney Best Foot, saving you time and money in your foot care decisions. So the first thing you want to do when taking care of your fungal toenail at home is soak it. And usually what I recommend is just saturate a gauze pad with water or a washcloth and just let it sit on your toenail for about 15 minutes.
Okay, so it's just about impossible to trim these nails with a nail clipper. Plus you can't see what you're doing. You could easily cut something. So you need to find a nipper like this, double action, a little bit curved here. The little tapered end helps to get these thick layers. So when you cut it,
Hey, just wanted to jump in here and let you know if you are diabetic with poor circulation, or if you have poor circulation, it can be dangerous for you to take care of your own toenails, mainly because if you hurt yourself or get a wound, it's a lot easier for you to get infected, then that can lead to amputation or get a non-healing wound. So if you do have poor circulation, Medicare may pay for your nail care with a podiatrist, so go see your podiatrist to see if you qualify.
Want little tiny nips, and they grow in layers. The top layer is the hardest layer. You can soak it first, which would help. So you just go little tiny clips across. Try to get the top layer first. Across, just little tiny nips. You don't want to do this because there's a good chance you'll cut yourself because there's little hidden pieces of flesh in there. And also it hurts when you do that because you go like that and it pulls on the nail bed and causes pain. So just go little tiny nips.
Hey, if you want to learn how to get rid of fungal toenails, please see my videos on that here.
Probably need to wear eye shield so it doesn't get in your eye. Next thing is sanding it. So if you sand it, you probably want to wear a mask. I wear N95 mask because of the nail dust. You can use an emery board. There's all kinds of rotary Dremels and whatnot out there. This is a professional one, but probably an emery board would be fine. Now, this is really hard to sand yourself. So it's probably easier for someone to do it for you. And it'll feel so much better getting all that thickness off of there. It puts a lot of pressure on the nail bed. And then you could sand a little bit more there too. The thing you don't want to do is go down the sides like this, because that will hurt the person and cause a wound. So just go little by little and it'll get it all down. And you don't ever want to push away the cuticle either, because that'll allow bacteria and fungus to get down in there. All right. Okay, and there it is.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you've gotten value out of this, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate that very much. And if you've had trouble taking care of your fungal toenails, let me know in the comments and let me know how you took care of them yourself. I'd like to know that. And also please check out all my episodes on how to get rid of fungal toenails for good if you're wanting to do that.
Please see the full disclaimer in the description. This is not a doctor-patient relationship. This does not constitute medical advice, but is for informational purposes only.